Let me show you how to make grain text effect using Photoshop. First, select the text tool and type any text you want. Next, go to the text layer, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Change the blending mode of the text layer to Dissolve. Now, navigate to Filter Blur Gallery Field Blur. In the Field Blur panel, add multiple points and adjust their values as desired. Once you're satisfied with the blur effect, click OK. Now press Alt plus Shift plus Ctrl plus E to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Apply a grain effect by going to Filter Gallery. Selecting Artistic, then choosing Film Grain. Adjust the settings to your liking. Optionally, you can invert the colors by going to Image Adjustments, Invert, or pressing Ctrl plus I.